Hello, this is Dr. Liu at LeTime. It's December, holidays are nearby, friends and families are gathering. It's a good time to start to prepare hot drink like apple cinnamon cider, share your tincture, and make special food with infused oil. Today, I introduce you a great tool to help you prepare and also show you the 3 ways to use a LeTime press. So the press has 3 parts. The first one is the plate. You can squeeze the herb. And the second is the filter cup. And the last one is this big measuring cup. So they all made by stainless steel 304, high gauge. It's very strong. So the first use is to help make a tea, tincture, or infused oil by separating the herbs from the liquid. So now I'm going to show you how to make apple cider and by using the press to help prepare it ready to serve. Now add 2 teaspoons of crushed cinnamon. Again, if you like cinnamon, you can add more. If you don't want like too strong, you can just use less cinnamon. So now just heat up, then boil, and then simmering it. So after it started boiling, turn down the heat to the low heat and just keep it simmering for 30 minutes. So 30 minutes and turn off the heat. Pour the soup into the LeTime press. Enjoy your apple cider. After finish, you can just lift them into a dishwasher because it's made by stainless steel. It's make the whole cleaning process way easier. The second use I love it is to make infused oil. The way is we use the filter cup to put all the herbs. Like last video I show you to make rosemary oil. Put the rosemary, garlic, pepper, and all the herbs into the cup, the filter cup. Because it's made of stainless steel, you can just soak into a hot oil and start to cook it and make the wonderful infused oil. And this is perfect for your holiday meals. And the third one is because you have a large, the 2-liter size measuring cup. It's a stainless steel, so it can be used to make some processed product like lotion, a cream. So add all the ingredients into the cup and use a blender to make it. The other benefit, because it's made by stainless steel, so it can bear the heat. You can even put it into a water bath to heat up when you are mixing your oil ingredients. So it's strong and heat conductive, and it's a good size. The 2-liter size make a 1 liter of products. And also we have a 10% off discount for you. You can find it in the description part. Thank you for watching and see you next time.